Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make paper antlers. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a few sheets of sturdy cardstock, preferably in brown or white, along with a good pair of scissors and some strong craft glue. Don't forget a pencil, a ruler for precise measurements, and a plain headband to attach your finished antlers. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this fun project. Now, let's create the base for our antlers. Take your cardstock and draw two identical antler shapes. Aim for each antler to be roughly 8 to 10 inches in length, with a base about 2 inches wide. This width provides a good surface for attaching them later. Carefully cut out these shapes. Precision here helps ensure your antlers look symmetrical and realistic. Take your time with the cutting for the best results. To give our antlers some realistic dimension, we'll add smaller branches. Cut several strips of cardstock, each about 1 inch wide and 4 inches long. Fold and glue these strips onto your main antler shapes, creating a branching effect. You can add as many as you like to achieve your desired look. For a more natural appearance, gently curl the tips of these smaller branches with a pencil. This adds a lovely organic touch to your paper antlers. Finally, it's time to assemble our antlers onto the headband. Apply a generous amount of strong craft glue to the base of each antler and firmly press it onto your plain headband. Hold each antler in place for about 30 seconds to ensure a secure bond. It's crucial to let the glue dry completely, ideally for at least 1 hour, before you wear your new creation. Now you have a fantastic pair of paper antlers, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.